On the next slide, you're going to try making a model to explain why you think a string telephone works. And before we do that, I just wanted to chit chat with you for a second about what a model is when we're talking about science. Why do scientists use models? A model can be an image with words, it can be like a graph or a chart. A model is any kind of graphic that explains something in the world. So, a phenomenon is an event that we can observe, and sometimes scientists make models in order to explain them or to predict what might happen next. So you're looking at a model of how light interacts with different materials. And you can see here there are pictures on the page, there are words, there are arrows, there are different colors, they've color coded certain things. And there are many different things you can include in your models. One of those things is components. So every model has some components. A component is a fancy way to say part. So the different parts or components of this model are the cups, the light, the eye, the water, the air, the sticker at the bottom of the cup, that kind of thing. Those are the components. The next thing to include in your model are the interactions and relationships among those components. So, for instance, we've got the eye is interacting with the light, right? The light is interacting with the water, and we can kind of see how the light bounces in this model. So, those are the interactions in this model. And then, of course, it should connect to whatever phenomenon you're trying to explain. So, your phenomenon that you're going to explain in your model today on the next slide is a string telephone. How does it work? How does sound travel through it? What do you think? Have fun.